morning, guys. This was like the same clip from yesterday. We're both wearing the exact same thing.
Here, let me sit differently.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are doing another little daily vlog. We've got our chocolate chip pancakes, as you can see. So we're going to eat some of these and watch an episode of Friends before this one heads out to work. And then I need to be productive and get a lot done today. So just follow along. We'll be going to the gym again. Today we've got a heavy deadlift day, so that should be fun. And then we're definitely going to the grocery store, which I know we said we would do yesterday, but we're gonna do it today. And yeah, so just keep watching.
Very exciting stuff coming. Not really.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh. We're soaring, flying.
I'm like feeling this eye look right now. Okay, anyways, all right. So it's obviously like quite a few hours later now. Brandy boy is home from work. And we're eager to get to the gym, so he's just gonna change when we get there. But yes, we are hitting some heavy deadlifts today, and I'm very excited about it. So we're gonna take you to the gym with us, show you a couple of our sets, and then after that we'll be going to the grocery store, which I'm very excited about because I love the grocery store because I'm weird. So
I don't, because it's shopping, and shopping is a disease.
Okay, rude. But anyways, yeah, so we're headed to the gym and then we're gonna go to the grocery store, so just stay tuned because more fun stuff is coming. Okay. We are finally back at home. We were literally at the gym for like 3 hours because we were lifting, talking to our friend who's opening Iron Cavalry with us, and just like taking our time. But we had a really good workout, as you guys saw. I pulled 220 for 3, and then I finished with 215 just because like it was getting pretty hard, so we bumped me down a little bit. And then you pulled, what'd you pull? 545 for four sets of singles. And now we're just having our post-workout shakes, and then we're finally gonna go grocery shopping, which I'm super excited about and Brenden is super not excited about. So yeah. $169 of my hard-earned money later, we have our groceries. And I don't know if it's just me, but like literally, I feel like groceries have gotten so expensive recently, and I don't know what it is, but it's really making me mad because I feel like no matter how much groceries we get, whether we get like 2 weeks worth or 1 week worth or whatever, I feel like I always spend like 200 bucks at the grocery store and I don't get it. So we are back at home. This lighting is really terrible, ignore it. And I have all the groceries laid out very aesthetically for y'all. So I'm gonna go through everything that we typically get when we go to the grocery store and kind of break it down, like what we like to get and why we get it. Right now my calories are at about 1,650, which is not super high. So I do incorporate like some diet products to help me like get more food in without like, you know, breaking the calorie bank or anything. And then I've also got some of Brendan's favorites over here. So to start, he always likes to do a Cliff Bar every day. It's just like a good like carb and nutrition source, especially like a couple hours before we do our workout. And then I got some semi-sweet chocolate chips for our morning chocolate chip pancakes. And then he likes these like little pineapple tidbits, so he gets those as like a snack. I have a lot of avocados because, as you guys probably know from watching my last video, I like to have avocado toast with the Trader Joe's the seasoning, everything but the bagel seasoning. A couple sweet peppers, an eggplant because tonight I'm going to be making eggplant parmesan. And then I got the sugar-free caramel macchiato coffee creamer from International Delight. This is a really great option if you like your coffee sweet like me, but you don't want to spend like 100 calories just on your creamer. And then just a thing of 2% milk for Brendan, some eggs, which I normally don't eat eggs because I'm allergic to them, but I do bake with them and I'll eat them that way. So those are what I'm going to be using to make my eggplant parmesan. Maybe I'll do that in a recipe video one day because you might want to see that. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. And then if you're a juice person like me, the Ocean Spray Diet cran grape or cranberry or cran raspberry juice is awesome. It's only 5 calories for 8 ounces. And then 2 grams of carbs and 1 gram of sugar. So that's a really great way to like get your juice in or like curb a sweet tooth. Again, without having like a ton of sugar, obviously. I have a question about these. So Brenden and I use like this is like sounds gross, like the flushable moist wipes or whatever when we're using the restroom, but I've heard that these can be like really bad for the ocean. So if y'all have any recommendations for those that aren't bad for the ocean, can you please leave them in the comments below so we can order some? Thanks. Also Tide Pods, just some soft soap for me because I need new body wash. Diet Coke for Brendan. And then we this is like some of the cat food that we get them the Abound dental treats just to keep their teeth healthy. And then we get the Sheba Perfect Portions like little, you know, wet cat food thingies. And the ingredients on the back look pretty good, so I feel pretty comfortable with that brand. If you have any like really good cat food brands, also leave those in the comments below because I would love to hear back from y'all on that. Then we have the Jimmy Dean fully cooked turkey sausage patties, just a great way to get protein in with breakfast. I have 2 bags of vegan mozzarella cheese. I use this for any time that I'm like melting cheese onto something and I want to use mozzarella. I use this because it doesn't hurt my stomach since technically I am allergic to dairy. But if I'm using like, if I want yellow cheese, then I use the shredded reduced fat Mexican style from Kroger. Some ragu old world style flavored with meat.
Beef ragu, cheese soufflé.
Pie and pudding en flambe. That's embarrassing. Anyways, I just use this for my eggplant parm, which I'm making tonight. Then lastly, we have our meats. We have some fresh lean ground turkey, 93% lean, 7% fat. Some organic chicken breast. Some of the Laura's lean beef, which this one is 92% lean, 8% fat, but I know she makes like a 93.7 and maybe even like a 95 fat. I don't know. She makes like really lean beef, which is cool. And then we did also get some steak tips, which we don't normally do 2 different red meats in 1 week. So I'll make sure that when we have the beef, we don't have this like the next night just because you don't want to eat like, I mean, it's really up to you, but we don't like to eat too much red meat. And then we just get the Star-Kissed solid white, no drain tunas for Brendan, a really great protein source here. And then lastly, just some turkey bacon, also good for the mornings. I like the Applegate one because if you look on the back, it actually has 0 grams of fat and 5 grams of protein versus some other turkey bacons have only like 2 grams of protein. So it's a great way to get in a little bit more protein in the mornings. that was a mouthful, but yes, that is everything that we got at the grocery store this go round. If there's any like foods or anything that you really love, like some diet friendly foods that you really love and enjoy, please leave in the comments below so we can try them out, because I always am looking for new things to try. I love going to the grocery store and just like taking the time to look around, but most of the time Brenden hates being there, so I kind of like try and go through quickly, but I would love to try some new things if you have any recommendations. Okay, time to make dinner. So that is my eggplant parm that I have tonight. I'm gonna have that and probably either another protein shake or like maybe 2 cans of tuna, just something like a quick and easy way to get the rest of my protein in for today. But yeah, I think that's gonna be the end of the vlog. Brendan's over here really focused on getting some last minute work stuff done tonight. I'm about to do the same because I still have a good bit of work that I need to do. So I think we're just gonna turn on some Friends, eat this dinner, and then go to bed after we work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a like and also subscribe down below by hitting that red button. Our social media links will be down there as well. And we'll see you tomorrow for another episode of Caffeinated Combos. Have a good night. Bye! Is there anything you'd like to say? Any final words?
Good night, YouTube fan. Today was a good day. If you're not following Iron Cavalry, you're dead to me.
Bye!